inte jag.
Han sa inte det.
Nej. Jag måste ta reda på.
Ja. Okay, so this is again day 2 of our visit here in Denmark at Sommerland, and let's do another POV of Phoenix front row, but with a different light and more. Right, number 8. You're correct. Okay, here we go, everyone. Woohoo! Such a nice roller coaster. Wow. Woohoo! This is fantastic. Woohoo! Okay, we had a bird. Sarah got a little bit afraid. Yeah, this is okay, guys. This is Linet at Sommerland, and woo! And this is a launch coaster, and it is POV. Woohoo! That's like a surprise start. That was a surprise start. I liked it though. Nice.
It's better than Anubis.
I like this one. Yeah, it's better than Anubis. Yeah, you're right. Nice. I like this one. That's a great roller coaster. Since we are completely normal human beings, we are riding Falcon one more time. Woohoo! Woo! Oh, it's so shaky. Oh my god! If I don't get bruises from this, I will be surprised. You can't see it. Oh my god. It is so shaky. Oh, the bruises. Okay. Oh my god. Here we go. Okay, we are riding Mini-expressen at Sommerland, and it's 30-ish year old, and this is a
Nice view.
Yeah, it's a nice view. Let's see if we can show you. Look, this is a great view. Okay, here we go. Get ready, everyone. Woohoo! It's very close to the trees here. You can high five the trees. That's a Mini Express here at Sommerland, and I hope you enjoyed it. It's just what it is. It's a Mini Express.
Yeah, very cute.
Yeah, it's very cute. It's pretty fun. I understand this being fun for kids. It's a nice roller coaster. Yeah. Okay, everyone. Oh, we started in the wrong way. We're going backwards, but I think it's gonna be fine. So, everyone, we are back at Saven. This time in the front row, which is gonna be very interesting because we're going to go very high up in the spike. Woohoo! And the water. Wow. This is super nice. tires are very nice. Whee! Oh.
Den var bra.
Ja. Okay, I like it better in the front, to be honest. Wow, super nice. Okay, so that was Saven for the second time of today. Third time. But maybe, yeah, but second time with people riding with us. Here we go. Front row of Orkanen, or the hurricane.
And it's so weird, you have nothing.
Yeah, it's like, it's a little bit creepy because there's like, woo, my legs, and that's it. Falcon. So yeah, this is going to be very fun. We haven't tried it in the front. Okay, here we go. Are you gonna go for a swim? Wow! Oh, this is great. Oh wow! Oh, this is such a good roller coaster. Wow. And as we talked about before, the layout is fantastic. Wow. It should just go one more lap. Right when you come inside, it should do one more lap. Yes, please. Yes, we are. So YouTube, this is how you roll at Sommerland. We are going one more time without getting off. Woohoo! And
the staff is...
the staff is amazing. I love it. Yeah, we have to go one more time. And we can talk about what we said before. It feels so empty being in the front. It's like, woohoo! I'm gonna hold my hat this time. And here we go! Woohoo! Oh, it's so fast! The beginning is so fast, and then it's so comfortable and soft, and yeah, you could sleep on this ride. Don't take that in a wrong way. It is great. Wow. And there we go. That was Sommerland and our vlog. But the first one for this year. Bam. Fy fan vad kul.
Men det är liksom, ska de med på konstigt?
So,
Ska de med? Nej!
we are filming on Pinsvinet. And this is a huge coaster. We upgraded a little bit. One more time, yes.
Det var bra det.
So this is Pinsvinet at Sommerland. Så jävla roligt. There we go. Oh, so you do 3 laps in this one apparently. Nu räcker det. Not one more time. No, the chain is off. Okay, there we go. That was Pinsvinet here at Forum. YouTube, we are doing this for you. The seats in this car they are so strange. We have so much space going on here, and it's
So I can go around.
Yeah, and this is a spinner, and it's a wild mouse. So, and I don't think this is going to be pleasant, but we are doing this for you guys. Only for you.
Yeah, this was broke early.
Yeah, this was yeah, it wasn't operating early in the morning.
No.
It had a technical fault or a technical error, so we're kind of happy. Yep, it feels very safe, but it's very happy that we are allowed to.
It's very hard.
Är du rädd? She's so scared. Okay guys, first drop. Woo! She is very afraid. Second drop. Woo! Okay, I think it's gonna start spinning now. Yes, it does. Woo-hoo! Oh wow, this is so strange. Woo! Oh! Wow, this is. Ooh. Wow, I did not expect that. Oh! Wow. It is not comfortable, but it's pretty exciting. And then we're gonna drop backwards. Whee! Oh my god. Oh. Oh, please stop spinning. Woo. Oh. Oh my god, please stop spinning. It's doing a ride to happiness spin here. Oh. Okay, so we did that. How are you?
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
Have you ever ridden a tumble dryer on a roller coaster track? I have now. Whew.